Hello everyone again. As it's Easter time, I thought it'd be nice to read you a story. So this one is called Bear Snores On, and it's written by Karma Wilson and the illustrator is Jane Chapman. And this is one of my favourite stories that I like to read. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too cold, too dark," so he lights weak twigs with a small hot spark. The twigs pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've bought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, settle down and dig in." Then and they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A vole and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the big bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, wait and see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.
I hope you enjoyed that story. It's one of my favourites. It's got lots of rhythm in there, great use of different voices for the characters, and I love the way that the author Karma Wilson has used lots of alliteration and repetition in that story. I hope you enjoyed it too. Happy Easter, everyone.